Are you going to allow cow into your bedroom?
No.
No. Are you going to allow hen into your bedroom? No. But a dog is allowed everywhere in the house. The reason for that, unconditional love. If you start giving love, if you start giving importance, deeper connections are going to build, man. Don't so always expect. Don't expect. First starts giving. That thing is very, very important. So instead of complaining, my husband is always worst, my wife is always worst, my parents are too much worst kind of thing. Start giving unconditional love. Start giving importance for them. Automatically, they start giving the same in reverse. The problem here is we are always going to see the mistakes only. Hare, in the curry, extra salt. Burned chapati, chapati extra burned. Okay, like why the rice is like this? We are always specialists in criticism. Then automatically same thing is going to be happen in reverse. I have one girlfriend is there. I told right. Are you feeling like Aishwarya Rai? Immediately, without waiting single second. Are you feeling like Abhishek Bachchan? Observe the reverse punch, how it's going to be happen. So that's why always giving importance, always giving care, unconditional love. If you are going to spread, then obviously the same thing is going to come in reverse with the multiplication. Remember that human psychology, man. This is human psychology. Always going to think I like that is the bigger problem, dosto.